There was a time when the roar of the VAZ 2110 turned heads. She wasn't just a car, she was attitude on wheels, the pride of the streets, and the pulse of her driver's soul. But time is ruthless. And today? That same VAZ 2110 lies sunken in a muddy pond, silent, shattered, forgotten. Her windows broken. Doors twisted. Tires deflated. Paint peeled. And her engine long lost in silence. Some say there's nothing left to save. But they don't know true machines don't die, they wait. VAZ 2110 is rising again. Scarred, rusted, but unbroken. This isn't just a car restoration. It's the rebirth of a legend that refuses to be buried. This is the resurrection of the VAZ 2110. And this is only the beginning.